it's me, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, bringing you guys another wonderful wig review. And of course, this is coming from another company that we seem to love and cherish over here. It is True Glory Hair, and I am about to review one of their U-part units, something that we really don't do on this channel, because you guys know I don't really do too much to my real hair. But we're going to put a little twist to it because, of course, like I said, I'm supposed to review the U-part and whatnot. But unfortunately, I do not flat iron my hair. But I am going to show you guys a fun, cute way to actually wear your U-part without actually doing anything to your hair. So, of course, this is the wig itself, and then the wig itself. This is the wig. This is the box. Of course, it just says hello gorgeous, and it comes with hair care instructions, and that was pretty much it, honestly, with this one, because it's just a U-part. So with the U-part, it comes, I got a straight 18-inch, very pretty, very thick, believe it or not. I was surprised about that. It comes with three hair clips in the top, and it is the bend and snap hair clips. So you got 1, 2, 3. It also has a comb right here, along with it also comes with a adjustable strap also. Well, not adjustable strap, it comes with the adjustable strap, but it also comes with a elastic band in there also. So like I said, this is 18 inches. This is actually pretty thick. I'm gonna definitely guess that it's 180 density, but this is literally how it is. And of course, we're gonna utilize our cute little turban. So we're gonna take this off. I've been having it on all day, so I've kind of fell in love with it. So we're going to adjust our wig cap. And yes, we are going to just wear a wig cap with this. And we're going to take it like so. Put it on like normal. And try to get your combs into the actual cap itself. Make sure it's down in the back. Pin it down. It's okay if it feels a little floppy. It is okay, you guys. Do not be alarmed. If it feels like you want it up a little bit more, definitely adjust it. Oop. And boop. Perfect. There we go. So of course, if I was wearing this for real, of course my hair would be where the center part is. But like I said, I'm not wearing none of my hair out, so I'm going to wear it in a very cute way with a turban. So we're going to put our turban on. And this has got to be the quickest hairstyle that I have ever done, ever. And then, of course, just pop it over your shoulder and bam. Very cute, very stylish. Like I said, this was actually really easy. Mine is in 18 inches. It's so cute. I don't know, honey. She's a look. I like this. This is actually really cute for if you got to go to the grocery store real fast. Or hell, you just want to be cute and don't want to have to do too much to your hair. And this is actually pretty simple. Other than that, I think she's a winner chicken dinner, and I definitely feel like this was easy to style. So if you guys want to know how to cop this unit, definitely make sure to hit the link down below in the description box and head over there at True Glory Hair, and they will take care of you over there. So if this video was informative and to you guys like it, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, hit that bell at the top to be notified when I, Fashion Tamer, the Tame One, drops another video. And until we meet again, my Tame Raiders,